Wayne was born in '53 in Tumby Hospital, and he's my older brother, and he went to the Crippled Children's Association because he was born with cerebral palsy, and to see you know, what they could do to improve. And they said he'll have to go into braces till the age of 12 years old, and his lifespan, they said, would only be 20 years old. And to see him sailing, that's yeah.
There's a pirate's ship upon the seven seas.
Wayne is one of those amazing gentlemen. I have the honour and pleasure of working with Wayne. He is non-stop. He is out and about, and he's doing and he's active.
He had that many diplomas in photography, computer, graphic. He is now a graphic designer.
I've been sailing for about 20 years. I started off at Adelaide Sailing Club. Then I went to Port Adelaide. I like going to school. I really enjoyed my sailing.
Well, Wayne was one of our first sailors. He come down here and we thought, oh, this is going to be fun and games. But Wayne has excelled himself. He got there, started going out in two-person, then he progressed to going out by himself, but I think he admitted himself it was getting too much, so we went back to two-person boats.
It's a lot easier to sail. Sail doubles. Because you got someone that help you with the ropes. I'm the skipper, so sailing part do what I tell them to do.
Tell me about Wayne's sailing ability.
Oh, I could tell a few stories about Wayne. He likes running into the mud occasionally.
Get too close to the boat, you get stuck in the mud, and the rescue boat has to pull you out.
He can be distracted. If you can see a pub on the other side of the lake or the river or whatever it is, he tends to go there instead of heading for the finish line. But no, he's a dedicated sailor, and he loves it. Wayne's been, well, just about all over the world sailing. He's our representative from this club, goes everywhere.
He'd only been sailing for about 12 months, but it was so funny. The course was that way, Wayne was going that way.
He has got a winning streak to him, that he wants to win. He might have won, well, second or third in state titles a few times. Overseas and interstate, he's often come, I don't think he's ever won, but he's come second or third.
What was it like when you went to London to compete in the World Championships?
It rained every day in England, but it was a good experience. I
He says, I'm going to be a Commodore one day. I said, yeah, all right, mate. He'll be the Port Adelaide Yacht Club if he is, because he spends 2/3 of his life down there at the moment.
He'd try and take over my title. Well, yeah, I suppose he's Commodore of our sailing team.
He inspires a lot of people. Anytime somebody says you can't do it, Wayne's already done it.
Life's too short, that's the thing. Wayne's enjoyed every minute of that. I can tell you that.
I'm Crabb, and I'm